Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you guys how to attach a pocket to your trouser. So here with me is my pocket facing. I've already gone ahead to draft this. So now what you're going to do now is the pocket area for the main trouser and that of the pocket facing. You are going to take it good side facing good side and sew it by half of an inch. That means you added half of an inch for the sewing allowance. That means you're going to be taking in half of an inch. So guys, you go ahead and sew the half of an inch all the way to where the pocket facing stops, and you top stitch. Then once that is done, you are going to notch that corner. You see the corner that I'm notching. You are going to notch that corner so that it will the whole thing will relax after you might have turned it out and you've gone to your sewing machine, to your pressing table to iron it. So now something for you to notice this: before you attach your pocket facing and your pocket bag, you need to make sure that you serge everything. For the sake of this tutorial, I didn't bother myself to serge the rough edges, and make sure you cut out all the thread. So what you see me doing now, I'm notching the whole area, because you know that the pocket facing this start from the very beginning. So what I did is I went down by half of an inch before I fixed my pocket facing. So guys, when you are done fixing the pocket facing, so now it's now time for us to fix our pocket bag. So now that I'm going to do, what we are going to do now is this: your pocket bag now, you are going to make sure that the whole thing aligned, the pocket facing, everything is in order. So you take your pocket bag and that is good side to good side, facing. Then you sew half an inch from that from the tip there. That is, you are sewing the pocket bag and the pocket facing together now, good side facing to good side. So you're going to sewing it by the size, by half of an inch, because you added half of an inch for the sewing allowance, so you're taking out half of an inch. You sew it from the tip there. You can see the way I'm doing it in the video, to the so you sew it from one tip to the end of the other tip. You can see the way I did it. Remember, we are not sewing the sides. We are just sewing the pocket bag and the pocket facing together, so that they become one. So guys, we have successfully sewn the pocket bag and the pocket fan. This is how to perfectly attach your pocket to your trouser. So once this is done, you just pin it down, and take the back part of your trouser and just sew it all the way down by the amount of inches that you added. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I remain your girl Jamilat of JSR, and I'll be seeing you guys in the